A little longer wait than expected for San Marcos, but the Rattlers making a little history tonight. Hard to believe that San Marcos High has never had its own stadium to play in. They've done home games at Texas State the last few decades and even the first part of this season, but it is all ready. Take a look, your first look at San Marcos Toyota Rattler Stadium, complete with naming rights and all. You gotta like that. You know San Marcos is proud of that Jumbotron as well. Rattlers getting a flyover to kick things off in their new place. Hopefully it would give them a little better fortune, off to a 1-3 start in district play, hosting Kerrville Tybee. And you can see Tybee drawing first blood. Dial K to White Hutch. Cool name, and he scores too. San Marcos answers. Rattlers quarterback David Hamilton to Preston Natal. That one tied it. Take a look at your score right now. 45-14 Tybee, but you got to love all the character traits on the back of the jerseys of San Marcos. I like those kind of core values.